Hi! This is the commutative property of addition and multiplication. Everyone knows that 2 plus 3 equals 3 plus 2, and 2 times 3 equals 3 times 2. Nevertheless, why do we learn commutative property on purpose? The purpose is not to tell us that the value of 2 plus 3 is the same as the value of 3 plus 2. The key lies elsewhere. That key is a spell that turns math into a problem-solving wizard. Let's math travel. Strictly speaking, 2 plus 3 and 3 plus 2 are not the same. 2 plus 3 is adding 3 to 2, and 3 plus 2 is adding 2 to 3. The process is different. The resulting size is just the same. The commutative property tells us that 2 plus 3 is the same as 3 plus 2, with the calculation order changed. Therefore, it is okay to change the operation 2 plus 3 to the operation 3 plus 2. What big difference does that make? Sure, there is a very big difference. We are going to solve this simple problem. If the commutative property of addition does not hold, we must first calculate 5 plus minus 8. We have to add minus 8 to 5. If you're not good at operating with negative numbers, this problem could be difficult. However, if you apply the commutative property, you can avoid this difficulty. Apply the commutative property to this part of the problem. Then, the problem changes like this. If you calculate 5 plus 10 first, you get 15 plus minus 8. It's 15 minus 8. You can easily find the answer. It's all thanks to the commutative property. In fact, the associative property of addition is also applied together. The commutative property is a matter of the order of operations. It's not a matter of the result of operations. So, the commutative property is always mentioned along with a certain operation. If the commutative property is established, you can change the order and try different operations. You can find alternative ways to solve the problem easily. You don't have to play only after studying. You can also study after playing. Gauss' brilliant method of finding the sum from 1 to 100 also applies the commutative property of addition. If you cannot use the commutative property, you have to calculate one by adding the numbers after 2. You can't think of any alternative solutions. But fortunately, the commutative property holds true in addition. You can change the order of 100 and move 100 next to 1 like this. The positions of the remaining numbers, such as 99, 98, and so on, can also be changed like 100. The problem will end up like this. Calculating this problem is easy. Thanks to the commutative property, mathematics can solve complex and difficult problems more easily and simply. However, look at the subtraction and the division. The commutative property does not hold. Subtraction and division must be done in the given order. We have to find the answer only in the given order. You have to play only after studying. The commutative property is what allows operation to be more diverse and beautiful. So, whenever we learn a new operation, we always check whether or not the commutative property holds true in that operation. Because the process of operations is different depending on whether or not it does. A car of operation can travel freely where there is a road of commutative property. Thank commutative property and thank you!